Hi everyone, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into ScaffoldIQ and I'm going to show you the process of setting up areas and what to consider when doing so. Let's get started. When we talk about areas, there's lots of different ways you can set them up. As you can see for me, I've set mine up by customer. So each customer has all their scaffolds separated into different areas. And as you can see, I've got sub areas underneath me contractors as well. So I can pick what they're doing. So obviously my work for wind turbines are here, my substations, my power lines. Obviously all my work's completed on that one, but yeah, all depending on how you want to set it up is totally up to you. To add an area, if it's a new area, click on all areas and then add. If it's a sub branch that you want to add under a certain customer, you just click on the customer you want to add and then add it. And then if you put the name in, Gasworks, click OK, and then it'll create a sub area underneath that contractor. So that's a quick way of, say if you're on a certain refinery, you can separate all the works underneath that contractor, and then obviously when you're just clicking on the main contract itself, it brings up all the works and then you can separate it underneath. So if you're not using it, or if you don't need this Gasworks anymore, you can click delete, but it'll only delete if there's no scaffolds associated with it. So all areas, I want to add a new area, so I've got Leeds Council, click OK and it'll open up my area. And then say if I need to add a certain area within Leeds, add it in, add in my name again, click OK, and then it'll create a sub branch under there. So it's totally up to you how you want to set your areas up, but it is as simple as that. I hope this helps. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.